It's time for another Beacon Leaders Minute.
Hi there, I'm Pat Schaeffer, founding principal of Talent Strategy Partners. I'm going to share what makes networking the Beacon way so unique and effective. Have you ever tried to explain how Beacon networking stands out from other networking experiences? Our research shows that top Beacon networkers excel by mastering three key skills: curiosity, connection, and purpose. First up, curiosity. Beacon networkers are genuinely interested in others. They make people feel at ease by encouraging them to share their stories. They are always ready to give value without expecting anything in return. Next, connection. Beacon networkers are the ultimate connectors. They spot opportunities to link colleagues for mutual benefit. They know the value of making good connections and seize every chance to get to know others. They build meaningful, long-term relationships by staying in touch and deepening bonds over time. And finally, purpose. Beacon networkers are intentional. They network with specific goals in mind, whether it's connecting with peers, finding new customers, or meeting potential employers. They showcase their expertise by establishing credibility and clearly explaining what they do. Our fantastic resource for Beacon members is the Networking GPS. This guide helps you sharpen your curiosity, connection, and purpose skills. You can access it easily through this QR code. So take full advantage of the GPS to enhance your networking skills. Trust me, you'll see a significant boost in the value of your networking efforts.
Beacon is the premier executive networking organization serving the Mid-Atlantic region. To learn more, go to beaconforlife.org.